This conference will now be recorded.
Dear participants, I, Dr. Santosh Bhosle, Principal Maharashtra Institute of Technology, welcomes you for this 2 weeks faculty development program on effective use of ICT tools in online teaching. Let me take this opportunity to introduce my institute first. Gramodyogik Shikshan Mandal Aurangabad is parent trust established in the year 1975, which has established more than 20 institutes in Maharashtra and in other states of the country. And Maharashtra Institute of Technology is one of them, popularly known as MIT Aurangabad. The institute is permanently affiliated to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University Aurangabad and is approved by All India Council for Technical Education and DTE Maharashtra. Institute is also accredited with grade A by NAAC. It is also recognized as Science and Industrial Research Organization, that is CIRO, by Department of Science and Industrial Research, Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India. MIT is also empaneled under Unnat Maharashtra Abhiyan and Unnat Bharat Abhiyan by Government of Maharashtra and Government of India respectively. MIT is also empaneled as Energy Service Company approved by Bureau of Energy Efficiency, Ministry of Power, Government of India. MIT has set up few center of excellences in the fields such as mechatronics, automation, Center for Analytical Research and Studies, and MIT Center for Industry Relevance in Polymer Science and Technology. MIT has got strong alumni base and tie-up with more than 300 companies that provide in-plant training and placements to our students every year. With these efforts, MIT was ranked 87th recently as per the survey conducted by Outlook magazine for India's top 100 engineering institutes. Now, let me talk about our faculty development program. This 2-week faculty development program on effective use of ICT tools in online teaching, organized by Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering Department and IQAC of Maharashtra Institute of Technology, is a step towards online teaching, which is the need of the hour, particularly because of the pandemic that we are facing. We have got huge response to this faculty development program. More than 400 participants have registered from 28 states and 4 union territories from all over the India. I would like to thank Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Professor Dr. Pramod Yevle sir, for his constant support and encouragement for this faculty development program and all our endeavors and delivering the welcome address for this faculty development program. I would also like to thank our Director General of MIT Group, Professor Munish Sharma, for constant motivation for all such activities for use of modern technology for teaching and learning. At the end, I would also like to thank Dr. Ramit Dias team for being resource persons for this faculty development program, and also thank the participants for giving such a wonderful gesture by registering themselves for this 2 weeks faculty development program. I wish all the best to all the organizers for the success of this faculty development program. Thank you.